I'm the guy who has no ego. I don't have self-respect also.
आपने अपनी लाइफ में कितनी झूठ और कितने मकारी की है?
मैंने बहुत किया होगा बचपन में and you know when I was
अपने रिलेशनशिप्स
में दोस्तों के साथ सबके साथ मैंने बहुत किया होगा. But I guess in you know as you get older आप ये बात भी आपको you know ये सीख मिलती है कि in relationships the more honest you are, the more open you are with your partner, I think your relationship goes deeper, it becomes more meaningful.
अच्छा, which is quite like, I mean, unlike because I mean, personally I don't know. Huh? You've not given us any personal instance of you being.
आपने कितना बोला होगा?
Well, it's not about me. You do get a chance to ask me a question. In revenge after breaking up or high road?
Revenge after breaking up or high road for sure. Like you know after you break up and जब दो लोगों का रिश्ता टूटता है, there is a lot of tension and there's a lot of negativity and obviously one person is always more hurt than the other person. But revenge से कुछ मिलता नहीं है unless that person has really intentionally hurt you and kind of dicked you over, then you know it makes sense. But I haven't taken revenge on anyone, so high road.
Yeah, that's yeah.
What about you?
No, I'm always the high road.
Yeah, I know that.
I'm not interested in.
Yeah.
It's a negative emotion.
Yeah.
Live-in relationship या शादी?
I believe in both. You know, I feel live-in relationship, there's nothing wrong in it. Me and Alia were in a live-in relationship before we got married. And it very naturally progressed towards marriage, and especially during COVID, you know, those 2-3 years.
Yeah.
And also the fact that my father was very unwell during that period also got us very close together.
Strange, even Saif and me were met like that.
Yeah. So I'm for both of them, you know, live-in and shadi.
Stay up and fight with Alia or sleep over it?
I'm the sleep over it kind of a guy. You know, let's just sleep over it and pick it up in the morning, because by then, see, क्या होता है कि when a couple fights, sometimes to hurt the other person, a lot of things are said for effect, and you don't really mean it, and the other person thinks that you're coming from a place of something, so that person takes those 3-4 words and it stays with that person, and then you have to clarify it. So it always comes in the heat of the moment. So I always believe that, you know, if there is a fight happening, just kind of take some space.
How are you so sensible? I think prepared. ये answers prepare करके आया.
मुझे अब ये question ही नहीं पता था. Wait, let me finish my answer. So I feel that space is great, and also Alia is somebody, she's a lawyer. So if she feels that she is wrong, she will not let go till she makes a point clear. And I'm the guy who has no ego. I don't have self-respect also. I'm very happy saying sorry, even if I'm in the right or wrong. But I like that space.
Fans का एक सवाल है कि what is that moment कि जहाँ तुम्हें आलिया से you know वो feeling आई कि I'm ready for दाल चावल now?
Actually मेरी फिल्म का डायलॉग है, ये जवानी है दीवानी के, लाइफ में थोड़ा टंगड़ी कबाब, चिकन हाक्का नूडल चाहिए, you know, not boring like दाल चावल. But then I realized with age and दुनियादारी कि दाल चावल से better तो कुछ है ही नहीं.
I like the whole you know the comparison.
Exactly.
I like it.
So it came from that idea. ऐसा कुछ मोमेंट नहीं था कि मैंने उसे दूर से देखा, उसने मुझे दूर से देखा.
और वो हाई स्पीड वाले शॉट्स.
We got to know each other through Brahmastra, and of course we've known each other before the film also, but it very naturally happened. I guess it happened with you and Saif that way also. You all met on a movie, or you all met?
Yeah, same Tashan.
Tashan, no?
Yeah.
I mean, there's a disadvantage with actors is that we don't really meet people.
Yeah.
The only people we meet are on a film set.
Working with.
So that's why so many actors get married to actresses, and you know, inside within the industry. तो हमारा भी ऐसे ही था. It was a very natural.
पर हमारे फैमिली में काफी वो है.
हाँ.
You know, like our family is married here. They were related to the Bachchans. We were like, you know, it's all.
Shami Kapoor married his Costa. Shashi Kapoor married his Costa. Your father married his Costa. My father married his Costa. और कौन है? You married your Costa.
Shashi uncle also married Jennifer.
Shashi Dada ji.
To watch more episodes of What Women Want, click here.